Almost as vital as an effective sales page and good copywriting is the sales video. These days, honestly, most people are going to quickly scan your sales page looking for the price, maybe looking for testimonials. All of it needs to be there, and it needs to be very intentional because there are people who will read every word, but you need to have that sales video at the top. Is it supposed to be long? Is it supposed to be short? What is the right length? What is the right style? We're gonna get into all of that in this video. And if you're just joining me, my name's Lane. This is day 34 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. We are doing 90 straight days of videos all about your online business, how to start it, build it, and grow it on the best platform there is for online business, which is Kajabi. And before we get going, if you're newer to Kajabi or thinking about jumping on, there's something so exciting happening today at 4 o'clock Eastern. I'm going live for a free training all about Kajabi and how to get to $3,000 a month on that platform. I'm gonna be joined by Ali Fernando, the Director of Brand Experience at Kajabi. We'll do the live training and then it will be followed by a live Q&A. So if you have questions about Kajabi and how you might have success on that platform in your online business, then register your free spot at lanesebring.com/live training. And I can't wait to see you today at 4 o'clock Eastern. And if you already know you wanna jump on Kajabi, it's a great time to join. You can go ahead and jump on using my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. With that, you get a 30-day free trial of Kajabi. You also get a 45-minute Zoom call with me where we can talk about your business, talk about Kajabi and how to get the best possible start on that platform. And also, you're gonna get my $25,000 course launch email template. So go ahead and jump on Kajabi. Be sure to register for that live training at lanesebring.com/live training. And I cannot wait to see you there. All right, so yesterday we talked about sales copy and the step-by-step formula that I learned from Graham Cochran on how to do copywriting. And we learned what the sales page needs to contain. And if you missed that, go back through because it will help all of what you're seeing here make sense in terms of why it's there and why it's in that order. But if you notice at the very top, I've got this video right here where a younger, less fit version of me is explaining all of what you see in this. And so, hey friend, Lane Sebring here, pastor, preaching coach, author of Preaching Killer Sermons and Become a Preaching Ninja. Maybe you can relate to me. My first sermon was, so I start out and it's a lot of what you actually see right here. It's very similar to this copy, and that's on purpose. It's because essentially what I'm trying to do in this video is I'm trying to give the experience of reading through this sales page, but in video format, again, for the people who want to go through it like that. Now, I will say not the whole video is like that because a total sham. If this were to continue playing, you would see that eventually I get into the actual slides and things like that. Now, I want to mention I don't actually have a play bar down here. You can choose to have a play bar or you can choose not to. The reason why I chose not to have a play bar is because I wanted this to be an experience that people go through. If they're just gonna skip to the end, I'd rather just read the sales page than skip to the end of the video and miss a bunch of important context. So that's why it's like that there. Now, if we go to the Preaching Jumpstart page, this one actually does have a bar because this is a shorter version of the video. So where this video is 30 minutes, and it's this entire page, every single point I make is in that video. For my mini course, I tried something different. This is more of an introduction. Sebring here. I'm the author of Preaching Killer Sermons and Become a Preaching Ninja to share it with you. It's 7 core lessons. So basically what I do is I get into kind of, here's the overview of what you're about to experience on this page, what's in the course, and then of course you've got the rest of the sales copy for the mini course on down the page. And this sales copy isn't as long as the other one because it's a much shorter course and a lower price point. Now, I want to mention on the sales page, there's a few options for your video. you can, so this is where you put the video in there, right? So you can download you can upload the video to it. You can upload the thumbnail for the video. But then right here where you have player settings, this is where you control a lot of things. So you can hit autoplay if you want it to start playing right away. If you want it to loop, you can hit loop. Like if it's a video that's just going to be playing in the background, maybe it's short and it's just going to play through a cycle and play again. If you want a play button, you can put it there. And show play bar. This is what I currently don't have, but it's something that I removed as an option. I'm actually going to go ahead and add that so that we can go back over here and I can show you what this video looks like once we get into kind of the remainder of it. That is very, very discouraging. You see, the way we've been taught to preach doesn't work. In fact, the more I work with preachers, so at this point, it's transitioned from me face to camera to you're just hearing my voice and you're seeing this text. Again, this is the exact same text that is in this sales page, but I'm just on the video and I'm explaining it. The way I did this was by using a program called Google Slides, which is just a kind of a PowerPoint thing, but it's free and it's on Google. I made all the slides there and then I just did a screen share and shared them there. So this video on this page is short and it's face to camera. This video is long and it's face to camera and slides, with most of it being slides. And I think at the end, I come back and I say, hey, if you haven't thought about buying the course, you should, right? And so I'm gonna take the play bar off, hit save. So that takes that back to where it was. So the action here is once your sales page is made, you wanna take all of that work you did and put it on video and stick that towards the top of your page. I think it will help because it will capture those people who'd rather watch the video than read it. All right, as far as next steps, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of the videos in this series. Leave me a question in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them in future videos. And make sure to register for the live event at lanesebring.com/live training. And obviously, if you want to check out Kajabi, be sure to do it at my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. At this point, if you want to know more about Kajabi or learn more about how it might work for your online business, check out this playlist right here. I'll be right inside that. So all you gotta do is click on it and we can hang out a little bit more. Click right there and I'll see you in that playlist. Otherwise, you can wait for the next video to pop up. I'll see you tomorrow.